11 Features of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot designed to engage in conversations with users in a natural and intuitive way. It uses natural language processing (NLP) and machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to user queries and requests. Here are 11 features of ChatGPT that make it a useful tool for businesses and individuals. 1. Personalized conversations. ChatGPT can be customized to suit the needs of different businesses and industries. It can be trained to understand industry-specific jargon and respond to queries in a way that is relevant to the user. 2. 24/7 availability. ChatGPT is available round the clock, which means that users can get their queries answered at any time of the day or night. 3. Multilingual support. ChatGPT supports multiple languages, which makes it accessible to users from different parts of the world. 4. Quick response time. ChatGPT is designed to respond to user queries quickly and efficiently. This helps to reduce the waiting time for users and improves their overall experience. 5. Easy integration. ChatGPT can be easily integrated with different platforms and applications, such as websites, social media platforms, and messaging apps. 6. Customizable interface. ChatApp's interface can be customized to match the branding and design of a business. This helps to create a seamless and consistent user experience. 7. Analytics and reporting. ChatGPT provides analytics and reporting features that help businesses to track user interactions and identify areas for improvement. 8. Cost-effective. ChatGPT is a cost-effective solution for businesses that want to provide 24/7 customer support without hiring additional staff. 9. Scalable. ChatGPT can be scaled up or down depending on the needs of a business. This makes it a flexible solution that can grow with the business. 10. Security. ChatGPT is designed to ensure the security and privacy of user data. It uses encryption and other security measures to protect user information. 11. Continuous improvement. ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving based on user interactions. This helps to ensure that it provides accurate and relevant responses to user queries. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help businesses to improve their customer support and engagement. Its features make it a flexible and customizable solution that can be tailored to the needs of different businesses and industries. Don't forget to like and share. If you have any feedbacks or questions, please write in the comment.